beer, that is where this started. One beer. Walking down a street in Sarasota, Florida, the officer takes the beer, throws it away, tells her to stop walking. She was already leaving. And somehow that moment turned into 3 criminal charges. This is proof on record.
Hello.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Just hanging out.
Okay. With your beer?
Is that not okay?
No, not really. Not on the street. Ma'am? You freight your bike. Ma'am? 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 You want a ticket for that?
No, here, take it.
Okay.
Hey, come here. You guys aren't drinking in the street. What are you doing? Hey, get over here. Now you can give us your name. You want to go to jail?
No.
You want to do it?
No.
Don't hit me.
Don't touch me. You have no right to touch me.
I just touched you.
You have no right to touch me.
Now you're going to jail.
Do you hear me?
Now you're going to jail.
Going to jail for what? For what?
Oh, now you need me.
Oh!
Stop resisting. Stop resisting right now. Stop right now. Stop resisting. Alright, calm down. Stand you up, okay?
Don't kick. Don't punch.
Get your fucking fingers out of my closet. What the
Stop.
fuck?
Don't. That's 2. That's 2.
To what?
Stop.
Assaults on a PO?
You think you're a police officer? F you. You know who I am? What's your fucking name? Zachy? Zach, you peg? You fucking peg? You're being a fucking peg, Zach.
I don't know who Zach is.
You know who Zach is, you fucking liar.
And now you need me and you kick me.
Good, you fucking deserved it.
Neighbor call. This is my restaurant.
I just was wondering if you knew who she was.
No, never.
Because she was up on your deck.
No, we've
being
never
around.
seen her before.
Okay.
You know, we used to have them sleeping under the tables and stuff, and then I did the partner program, and you guys have always been good keeping an eye on the place, and you know, we're just running out of places to be. Were you here yesterday?
No, we
There,
just
apparently.
happened to be going by. We were on a
Or
call
Wednesday.
around the corner,
Yeah,
and she pulled around the corner on her bike drinking a beer,
right.
which was a simple solution.
Yeah,
But
she
she
could have
made-
been in and out.
She made it difficult. We would just let her go.
Are you okay? I saw you fall.
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Yep. Do you have anything on you, ma'am? I will have a female officer search you. But before I have you sit back here, is there anything on you?
Why don't you search me?
I told you a female officer will search you, but I am not going to search you right now.
Good.
Okay? Do you want to sit there or do you want to wait?
Watch what actually happens at the beginning of this stop. She is walking. The officer approaches her about the open container. He offers her a ticket. She starts to walk away. He takes the drink out of her hand and discards it. Then he tells her to stop and come back. That sequence matters legally because the question is whether the stop was already functionally over when she walked away. She was not running. She was not aggressive. She was leaving. And the officer made the decision to extend the encounter. Now, Sarasota has a city ordinance prohibiting open alcoholic beverages in public spaces. That ordinance gave the officer the legal basis to stop her in the first place. But once he took the drink, the violation was effectively neutralized. What legal purpose did the continued detention serve at that moment? That is the question a defense attorney is going to ask. Here is the other side of it, though. When an officer gives a lawful command during a valid stop, you are legally required to comply. Walking away does not end a police encounter on your terms. Only the officer ends it. So when she kept walking and he ordered her back, refusing that order created a new legal problem separate from the beer entirely. Then she hits him. Everything that was debatable before that moment stops being debatable. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.07. That charge does not care about what happened 2 minutes earlier with the drink. It only cares about what her hand did to his body. The restaurant owner confirms to the officer this was a chance encounter. She was not targeted. She rounded a corner and walked into a stop. He could have written the ticket and let her go. He says so himself. She could have been in and out. Neither of them made that choice.
Have a seat in the car here, so I can talk to you. Alright, what's your name, ma'am?
I don't have a name that matters to you.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't! You're lying to me!
Why do you think you don't matter?
Why do I matter? Just take me to the hospital.
Alright.
Just take me to the hospital and take these off. They're hurting me. You're not supposed to cuff me in the car.
Why?
Because you're not supposed to. Take them off.
Okay. What's your first name?
It's Megan.
Okay. Now, Megan, you have not been real cooperative.
I didn't do anything. I was drinking a beer.
Okay, well,
Why can't I drink a beer? Do you know how old I am? I'm 38 years old. Why can't I have a beer if I want to? Do you guys have any idea what you've done to me already? I have no freedom. Is that what you're saying? I'm not free. Everyone else can have fun except for me. That isn't fair. I can't even eat. You guys won't help me at all.
stop. 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 Stop.
I just want to go home. Let me go home.
There's an officer here who's going to search you, okay? So I need you to step on out of the car, right? Okay? Step on out here.
Hello.
Don't put those on.
Don't put what on?
The gloves.
Oh, I need to.
Stop.
She's very nice.
Yeah, Megan, she's very pleasant.
She's putting gloves on and they smell bad. I don't want it touching my body. What are you doing to my body?
I don't want to touch you anymore.
You're touching my body.
Do you have anything on you that I should be aware of? The faster I can do this, the faster we can go.
Don't touch me. I just want to go home. I don't have anything. I just had a beer. Why can't I drink a f***ing beer? Why can't I drink a f***ing beer? Why can't I drink a beer?
Because it's a city code.
What are you talking about? There is no city!
You need to turn.
Don't touch me!
I'm not doing this with you. Screaming doesn't do anything.
This
You're
is
acting
my
like a child.
thing. I'm not acting like a child.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
No, this is empty, I think. You just hold it, honey.
I know you do what I hate you do. Don't touch me like that. You're making me pissed. Stop it!
Megan, stop!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Stop.
Stop it!
You
Stop
stop.
it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Stop.
Stop it! Ah! 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 Ah!
that's going to be another charge. Do you understand? So right now you're going for an open container, but you have to go for a battery. So
Call me
get
a
up.
lawyer. Call me a
Get up.
lawyer right now. Call
Get
me
in
a
the
lawyer.
car. Get in the
Call me
car.
a lawyer.
Get
Why
in
am I
the
being
car.
arrested?
Get
Why
in
am I
the
being
car.
arrested?
Get in
Why am
the
I being
car.
arrested? I want a lawyer. You didn't read me my
Get
rights.
one. I don't have to.
You didn't read me my
I
rights.
don't have to.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Get in the car.
Yeah, you do.
Get in the car.
Yeah, you do. You didn't read me my rights. You didn't read me. I want a lawyer right now. I want a lawyer. I want a fucking lawyer. I want a fucking lawyer.
Grab that
I
arm.
want a fucking lawyer.
Got
I
it.
want a fucking lawyer. I want a fucking lawyer. Ow!
You gotta get in the car.
Get in.
You gotta stand on your feet.
Stand
I
up.
want a lawyer
Stand
right
up.
now. I want a lawyer.
I don't give a shit.
Down in the car.
I want a lawyer.
Megan,
I don't care.
stop.
Go.
Sit down in the car now. Megan, stop resisting and sit down in the
I want
car.
a lawyer.
To sit in the car?
I want a lawyer to get out of this. There's
Okay,
no
well,
reason
you
to
can
be
get one
arrested.
later. Sit in the car, okay?
I want a lawyer now.
Sit in the car.
I want a lawyer now.
Sit in
Call
the
me
car.
a fucking lawyer.
Sit
Call
in
me
the
a fucking lawyer. Call me a fucking lawyer.
car.
Yep.
Dispatch 6105, 6104, 1074.
Or 10-4. You have one?
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna go the use of force route. Why don't you sit in the
I
car?
want a lawyer.
Okay, when you get to the jail, you can call
Yeah,
one.
we didn't say you couldn't have one.
No one's saying you
I
can't
want
have
a
a
lawyer
lawyer.
right now. You
Well,
have
that's
no
not-
right to arrest me.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
Okay.
No, you don't.
All right.
Pull her
No,
in.
you fucking don't.
Face her that way.
Yep.
Ow!
Can you grab her? Or do you need an arm?
Let go. I'm getting all right, you fucking pig.
Stop.
Get in the car.
I'm getting it. Don't fucking touch me anymore, you fucking pig. Littlest pig. Pillest pig.
Get this one.
Watch that she doesn't kick you. It's funny when we were getting her in, I just wanted her to write.
Okay. They assaulted me and harassed me.
And how did they do that?
What are you talking about? I was walking down the street doing absolutely nothing and I get harassed all the time.
If you were drinking a beer?
So what?
All right, it's legal to drink in the city of Sarasota.
It's illegal to drink?
And when an officer gives you a lawful command, you have to obey it.
I didn't know it was illegal to drink.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
How long have you been in Sarasota?
Since when has it been illegal?
I don't know, 23 years or... I've been here 23 and it's been illegal since then.
What's the point?
Because you can't have an alcoholic beverage in the public. Out here in the open.
So what can you do?
Drink in your home or drink in a public, private
I
area.
don't have a phone.
All right, well, I don't know. So where's your injury at? You said you had some injuries.
I've got cuts all over me.
Okay. Was that from today?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, where are the cuts at?
Everywhere. Got probably all over my arms. My hands have been cut.
Okay, well, you're under arrest, so that's just a normal
They
procedure.
didn't read me my rights.
Okay, well, they don't have to read you your rights
Since when?
because they're not questioning you.
So they still need to read me my rights?
No, they don't.
Since when?
I'm not going to get into legalities of things, but they don't have to read you your rights unless they're going to question you. I'm only asking you if you were injured or anything due to this arrest. So I'm not
Yeah, I'm
interrogating you.
injured.
Okay. All right, well, we'll document it, all right? But you're going to go to jail, okay?
No. Take me to the hospital. I'm
what?
psychologically ill. I have schizophrenia.
Okay, that's not go to the hospital.
Sure it
There's numerous people who have mental health issues that we don't take to the hospital.
Oh no, you're taking me to the hospital.
Okay, well, we're going to roll up the window, and then when you get to the jail, you can talk to the nurse.
That's so
Okay?
great.
All
Okay,
right,
have a
great.
great day.
You too, thanks. Okay, fantastic.
Do I need to do anything?
Or just stay right there. Did you
cutting that leg already? Is that a scam?
Can you call the lawyer now?
Get out of jail.
What?
Get out of jail.
You can call the lawyer now.
It's not gonna happen.
Why?
That's not how it goes. You've been
What are
to
you
jail.
talking about? Yeah, you're supposed to read me my rights and you didn't.
I'm not asking any
And
questions.
then you're supposed to read a person their rights before you arrest them. You had no right to arrest me for drinking a beer.
Probably wouldn't even vote you for
Yeah,
that.
it would not.
I didn't fight with anybody. You guys chased after me. I was walking away. I didn't do anything.
Looks like you're gonna need a lawyer.
Exactly.
She is in the back of the car asking why she cannot drink a beer. And honestly, it is not the worst question. The answer is local ordinance, not state law, not federal law. A Sarasota city ordinance that has been on the books for years. 23 years she has lived there and genuinely did not know. The officer is patient about it. He is not gloating. He just explains it. You can drink at home or at a licensed establishment. That is the rule. Then comes the Miranda loop. You did not read me my rights. Over and over. She genuinely believes this is the magic phrase that makes the arrest dissolve. It is not. Here is what Miranda actually covers. Before custodial interrogation, meaning before officers ask questions designed to get incriminating answers, they must advise you of your rights. That is the rule from Miranda versus Arizona. It does not apply to the physical act of arrest. It does not apply to the pat down. It does not apply to being placed in a car. The officer is not questioning her about the battery. He is arresting her for it. Those are legally different moments. The rights attached to interrogation, not handcuffs. She wants a lawyer right now, on the pavement, before she is even seated. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel is real, but it attaches at the initiation of formal criminal proceedings. In practice, that means arraignment or the moment interrogation begins. Not standing outside a squad car in Sarasota, the officer tells her correctly. When you get to the jail, you can call one. She keeps kicking instead of sitting down. The officer warns her plainly. Right now, you are going for open container and battery. Keep kicking and that number goes up. She keeps kicking. Then she tells the officer she has schizophrenia and asks to go to the hospital instead of jail. This is not a small thing to brush past. Florida's Baker Act allows for involuntary mental health examination when a person is in imminent danger to themselves or others due to mental illness. A self-reported diagnosis during an arrest, while distressing and while real to her, does not automatically meet that legal threshold. The officer notes it. He tells her the jail nurse will see her. That is the appropriate response given what he has in front of him. She ends the video saying she did not fight anybody and she was just walking away. The body camera recorded everything from the moment the drink left her hand. She is going to need that lawyer. And when she gets one, the first conversation should probably be about what happened before the battery, because that part of the story deserves a closer look.